to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Sam. Happy birthday to Sam.
Ooh, right in there, Zan.
Not quite sure how to tackle it. Two hands. He's not shy.
Want some more birthday cake? Here. Try a little bit more.
Maybe a lot sweeter than he's used to.
Look what I did.
Zan.
Come on, dig in, Zan. It's your only chance.
To be dirty.
Spoon fork things.
And nobody say anything.
I know this is the one chance where it's like it's gonna.
Oh.
He just put his face in it.
Here's Zan. Here.
Never seen a kid do that.
Here. You want a fork? No, you don't want to use a fork? Here. You want mommy to give you another little piece? This is 8 o'clock birthday cake.
Yeah, the icing seems to be the biggest obstacle for him. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Dad have a little bit? Mmm.
Mmm. Here, I'm put it a little closer to him. Here, let me bring it a little closer to you. There. Good job. Good job.
It was pretty good, actually. It was surprised me that he took to the fork that quick.
Yeah. They're rules. Is it yummy, Zan?
Face first in it.
You're so funny, Zan. Want some more cake? About there. Good job, good job. Okay, honey, we're gonna have to get icing on our face and take a picture with you.
You know now that you got him hopped up on sugar, you're not going to get a nap out of him this morning.
9 o'clock, nap time.
Unless he's got so much icing there, he goes into a coma.
Yo, come on. Come on, yo, come on.
He's a lot better at the...
Time it, Dick. Make coffee.
It's okay. I want to tip. No, I want to get close to his face. Ooh.
Yeah, is it good? Huh? No, no. Mm.
Oh man, I did not expect that.
I thought he was gonna mash it all up.
Because he likes to use his hands so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah. Is that good? Mm-hmm. You like mommy's hat? Hey. You want some more cake? Get the inside, it's more moist. Here's Ian. Mmm.
Này con. Dạ.
Ian. Good job. And some more. And some more. Here. Here. Okay, last bite. That's the last one, okay?
You want to give him a few more minutes?
Oh, yeah, yeah. But I'm just saying I'm gonna feed
Oh,
him.
last one you're gonna feed. Gotcha. Done his own from here.
Yeah. I don't want to give him too much sugar. Okay, good job. Yeah. You like your birthday cakes, Ian? Huh?